So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek in the Sport Hybrid trim, and this thing features the SI drive mode as well as the X modes of the vehicle, and I wanted to showcase how to enable those modes in the vehicle and kind of what characteristics they may change. So let me start with the SI drive mode. So right here on your steering wheel on the right side, you have an S and an I button. Very likely you will boot up the vehicle in the I mode, and that is seen right here on the gauge cluster. You see an I there. I'm going to hit the S button. You're going to see S drive, and you're going to put an S there. Now you can see it kind of has a nice performance-oriented bar graph, whereas the I is for kind of intelligent drive. The vehicle is going to be kind of in a more, economical driving experience, whereas S kind of very sharp and sporty feel of the vehicle. So that's how you can change kind of the characteristics of the engine. Now, and the X mode is more of the characteristics of the kind of traction control system working through different, weather situations or just terrain situations. So on the top of the navigation screen, you'll have all these different options, pages you cycle through. If you go all the way to the last one, you'll have the X mode. So it'll basically be in normal when you boot it up, but you also, on the left, you have snow and dirt, and on the right is deep snow and mud. When you push that, you'll have a nice illumination, X mode, snow, dirt, hit deep snow, mud. You can see it also does something for traction control for deep snow and mud. Traction control is off. Snow and dirt leaves the traction control on. So you don't have to turn that off once you go into deep snow and mud mode. And what it's going to do in those different modes is it's going to play with the traction control for those situations. And also for like snow, it may, you're not launching, but just for kind of getting it going, it may start you off in like second gear to eliminate wheel spin, things like that. It's basically going to play with traction so you can get going safely and keep going safely in a snow, dirt, deep snow, mud situation. But that is how you enable these different modes in the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek and the Sport Hybrid trim. If you have some questions or some certain situations that you have to deal with and you just don't know which mode you should click into or which X mode you should use, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out in just whatever your unique case is and help you out and get you on the road and going. And if you can please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Every little bit helps and I appreciate it all. Thanks for watching.